Hidden deep under Malta's capital city, Valletta, is a chamber which saw defining moments in Malta's history unfold. Step inside the Combined Operations Room and join us for a journey back in time. It's 1940, and what was to become one of the greatest military epics, the air battle for Malta, has just begun. The building of the Combined Operations Room was complete, giving the Navy, Army and Air Forces the means to coordinate the defence of the island. The warfare strategies plotted here led to the eventual collapse of Mussolini's fascist regime in Italy and the total collapse of Axis forces in North Africa. After the war, the underground headquarters, which covers an area of 28,000 square meters, were used to counter Soviet military intentions in the Mediterranean. Towards the end of the 1960s, the North Atlantic Treaty Organization modernized the old Naval Operations Room, which now served to coordinate maritime monitoring operations against Soviet surface and submarine fleets in the Mediterranean. Friendly and presumed hostile movements were plotted on this striking 20-meter wide general situation map, which dominates the operations room. After more than 50 years and an investment of over 330,000 euros, the Malta Airport Foundation and Fondazzjoni Wirt Artna have brought the complex back to its former glory. The doors to the Combined Operations Room are now open, unveiling years of untold stories which still live on within its walls.